Hi guys, this is Rose and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to unbox my new iPhone 11 White. So here it is. Ta-da! Yes, and the side you can see the iPhone here and also here at the other end, and here is the iPhone logo. So my storage is, I chose the 128GB storage. So we'll just open it. Done! Oh my gosh. I'm so excited really guys to open this. Dun, dun, dun! So yeah. Ooh, this is nice. I really like the color white because it looks clean and yeah. Woo! It has two cameras and here is the iPhone logo and it has its glossy effect here. Yes, it's shiny and it looks nice, and here at the edge is it is color silver. Yes. And yes, the front part is color black, so it's like that. So we're gonna deal with that later, so we'll just carry on with the box, what's inside the box. So we've got here the manual. So it says designed by Apple in California. All right, so we have here hello, it's me. So hello, and it has its something here. I'm gonna read it later. So it's a power off and SOS. Press and hold side button and either volume. So it's just a manual, guys. The charging as well. All right. Next is okay. We have here the sticker, the iPhone sticker, the Apple sticker. This looks nice. This looks nice. Oh God, I dropped it. Next is just the other writing here, and this is for the SIM card. So where you're going to help you put on your put your SIM card on the phone. So that's it. And here is the ear pods. Yeah, we'll open it. And next is the charger. It's the cable, USB cable. Yeah. So we're done with the stuff here. So we'll deal with let's focus on the phone. So we'll just remove this plastic here. Done! All right, so we'll just turn it on. So I just press this button here. So say, yeah. Right, say hello. Yeah, it says hello. Hola. Hola mi amigo, mi amiga. It says hello. So yeah, bonjour. Bonjour? How do you pronounce it? So it's in Chinese as well. And oh guys, I've been waiting for this. So it says swipe up to open. So we'll swipe it up. Come on. And I will choose the English language. and select your country of region. So I chose New Zealand. says New Zealand. And then quick start if you have an iPhone or iPod. And then if you can also set up this iPhone manually. Set up manually. So I'm gonna set up manually. Written and spoken languages. Just good. Preferred languages, so I'll choose English here. English. Okay. Continue. Choose Wi-Fi network. So I have this our Wi-Fi connection here, as you can see. So I'll choose this one. Boy, I'll just call my husband. Boy, do you have the password of this? Of our Wi-Fi? Mark? Do you have the Wi-Fi password? Hang on guys, I'll just go and ask my husband. Just a minute. Alright, so yes, I'm back. So I'm already connected to our Wi-Fi here. So I'll press next. It says it may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. Okay. So we'll just wait. So it says here data and privacy. So yes, we'll continue that. So now I have to do the Face ID because this guys, my first phone is the iPhone 6s Plus and we don't have that Face ID and we still have this button here. So yes, finally I got to do this Face ID. So we are going to continue this. Okay. So we'll press get started. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Done. First Face ID scan complete. Char. So it's complete. So we'll press continue and reposition. Move your head to move slowly to complete the circle. Yes. Second ID. Face ID is now set up. Continue. Yes. Create a password. Face ID provides convenient and secure access by recognizing your face. Occasionally, your passcode will be required for validation. All right. So we need a passcode. So yes, I'm gonna create. So yes, just created my passcode. Apps and data. So I think I will transfer directly from iPhone. I don't know, what am I going to choose? It has different choices here. Restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from iPhone, move data from Android. Don't transfer apps and data. So I think I will not, don't transfer apps and data. Apple ID. Okay, I have my Apple ID, so I'm just gonna use that one. So Apple ID is, I'm just gonna write it down here. Yes, all right. And my password, you have to put down your password. Yeah. Apple verification code. Okay. Okay, they're gonna send a code to my other phone. Okay, and there we have to have that 91. Yeah. All right. Okay. So this is just terms and conditions. So I'm just gonna agree to that. I don't have time to read. It may take few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Okay. So I've just used my old Apple ID, guys, from my old phone. So hopefully it will work. And then we're going to keep your iPhone up to date, it says here. So we'll just, yes, continue that. Enable location services, yes. Enable. Apple Pay, we're going to set up later. I'm not keen of using the Apple Pay, guys. I'm still using my card, so we'll set it up later. And now we're gonna go here to Siri. And Siri, okay, let's continue Siri. Hey Siri, yes. Hey Siri, send a message. Shut up. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Good. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Check. And finally say, hey Siri, play some music. Check. Hey Siri is ready. Continue. Okay, screen time. It's all right, we'll continue that one. iPhone analytics, yes. Share with Apple. Share with Apple developers, yes. True tone display. Yan. Let's continue. Apple appearance, I will choose, yes. There is the light and the dark one. So I'll choose the light one, so continue. And I will use the standard one. So display zoom. So display zoom, I will choose the standard one. So let's continue that. And go home. Swipe up the button edge at any time and go home. Yeah, go home. Let's go home. Continue. Switch between recent apps. Continue. Quickly access controls. Continue. And then finally, here we are here. Welcome to iPhone. Yes, finally, guys. So swipe up to get started. So we're going to swipe up. And here it is. Oh, lovely. Let's see. So that's it, guys. We are able to set up the phone. And yes, I haven't put any SIM card yet, so I'm gonna transfer my old SIM card to here. And yeah, I'm so happy, guys. So finally, I was able to open this one. So yes, that's it. That's our unboxing for the iPhone 11. Thank you so much for watching my vlog today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking that red button below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to share this video, please do so. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye! Thank you, guys!